development parameters. Realizing this, the state government of Telangana has embarked upon earmarking separate budget of nearly rupees 10,000 crore for SC welfare per annum. I would like to suggest the government similar process may kindly be followed by the centre and earmark at least 16% of the central budget commensurating with their population for the welfare of SCs in this country. Similarly, Speaker Sir, for the welfare of BCs, establish separate BC welfare ministry. Separate funds may be earmarked and entrusted to BC Welfare Ministry for taking up welfare and development activities for the backward classes in this country, sir. Speaker, sir, in spite of giving emphasis on education in all the 5-year plans and annual budgets, literacy rate and dropout rates remain very high, particularly in women, child and SC/STs. Realizing this, the government of Telangana has embarked upon free education from KG to PG. Hence, I earnestly request the Finance Minister and Honorable Prime Minister to introduce the concept all over India. Speaker, sir, as I come from the state of Telangana, we were deeply disappointed with the general budget and railway budget also. 4 crore people of Telangana were completely neglected and ignored. I would like to state few issues relating to my state. Speaker, sir, I request the Government of India allocate funds to Information Technology Investment Region ITIR in Hyderabad. Speaker, sir, we have 2 major rivers in our Telangana state, Krishna River and Godavari River. एक हिंदी सिनेमा में गीत था, सागर इतना मेरे पास है फिर भी मेरे मन में प्यास है. Though we have 2 major rivers in our state, but we don't have sufficient water to drinking water and irrigation. So I request the Government of India to declare national status for 2 projects to Telangana state. One is on Krishna River and one is on Godavari River called Pranahita Chevella. Speaker, sir, there are existing different fertilizer unit belong to Fertilizer Corporation of India needing revamp and ensure supply of gas. One such unit of FCI, Ramagundam in my Peddapalli parliamentary constituency in Telangana state needs to be revamped. May I request the Honorable Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas for allocation of sufficient gas, the pipeline which passes through the Telangana state. Speaker, sir, I request Finance Minister, there has been consistent demand from the...
1 minute.
Speaker, sir, I request the Finance Minister, there has been consistent demand from the employees of coal mines Singareni who work in very hazardous conditions for according income tax exemption. Our state government of Telangana had already passed a resolution in the state assembly. Kindly please consider this. Speaker, sir, I request the Finance Minister for 2 industrial corridors in our Telangana state, one Kagasnagar to Kottagudem through Manchiryal and Hyderabad to Warangal may be granted. Speaker, sir, Telangana being a new state of the Indian Federation expected a lot of please sir, I'm concluding, please sir.
Please conclude.
I'm concluding.
Please.
This is my maiden speech, sir. Please give me some more time. I'm concluding, sir. I'm concluding.
Take only 1 minute. Take only 1 minute.
I'm concluding, sir. Please.
No, take only 1 minute.
Speaker, sir, Telangana being a new state of the Indian Federation expected a lot of support in terms of financial and fiscal measures, infrastructure in terms of roads, education, health, irrigation and social sectors. 9 out of 10 districts are very backward in our Telangana state receiving funds under BRGF. Even the issues which were mandated by the AP Reorganization Act have not found place in the budget except Horticulture University. There is also no mention about issues flagged before the Honorable Prime Minister. It is not understood as to why my state Telangana has been singled out with this treatment. Speaker, sir, I request the Honorable Prime Minister of India and Honorable Finance Minister of India to consider our, I'm concluding, sir, to consider our concerns, provide funds and schemes as a special case being a new youngest state. Thank you, sir. Jai Telangana, Jai Hind.